guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Tome.app for presentations. So let's get started. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type Tome.app and it will take you directly to this. So this is the interface. This is the first page of Tome.application. Now, what is this I'm talking about? Well, Tome is an AI-powered platform that turns presentations into more engaging storytelling experiences by allowing users to create and share immersive narratives. With the use of this AI, it can create text and image rich narratives, outlines, and presentations in response to a request. Users can also add new pages with more context with this feature. Even longer format content, such as strategy documents or creative briefs, can be transformed into a more short, concise presentations or summaries using Tom. So this is what it looks like. You can see here, sign in and get started. If you have an account, then click sign in. If you don't have yet, then click get started. If you tap these use cases, then you will see this option: sales, marketing, founders, and startups, product creators, and freelancers. So if your presentation is related to this, then you can tap more information if you go to use cases. Templates, if you look for sample templates, then you can click templates and it will show you different templates for product design, freelance pitch, product design review, portfolio, and so on. So there are tons of presentations that you can use here in Tom AI. And then apart from that, you can also see this one-page website or other themes. If you want to use this theme, Forest, they have this for the lecture, they have for resume, they have for work portfolio, they have for sales, fundraising, and then for community and so on. So very formal and very unique presentations that you can use. If you tap resources, you will see a blog help center if you encounter some problems in Tome.app integrations. If you tap this one, and then as you can see here, there's a better way to use Tom using integration. So they have Spine, YouTube, and other support integrations here. Twitter, Typeform, Mode, Framer, Google Sheets, and so on. So if you want to try this one, then all you have to do is to click the platform that you want to integrate. So AI and Tom, if you want to know more about AI and its capability, then you have to click this AI and Tom. And here you can also start your presentation. So all you have to do is to click this get started. So AI built for presentations, get started. And then you have your options here, how to sign in. So continue with Google or single sign in, or you can type your email address. So for me, I have to do this. Okay, type my name, last name, what kind of work do you do? So all you have to do is to click this and then you will see options, but everything is up to you. Let's just say design. Click next. What is your role? How big is your company? And then after that, you have to add your workspace here. Okay, so wait as it is processing. Now you can set a default theme, but you can also do that later. So actually, you can change this later. So you can tap from any of those themes there. Okay, so they will show you this one, but let's just start with the basic. Okay, so make your first tone. You can start making your design portfolio here. You can start with the design portfolio template. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. So as you can see on the left side, we have here recent, personal, shared, and the name of your workspace, templates, a brand, and the deleted project. You can also create a folder if you want. So templates, you can see different templates here, brand. And then if you have deleted something, then all you have to do is click deleted here and then you can restore. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is we're going to start from scratch or start from blank. You can choose from any of the templates here, but let's just choose from start from blank. Okay, so this is the blank, this is the page, and feel free to edit or customize your page. So this is what it looks like. And if you go to this box right here, you can start generating something like prompt writing tips, rename tone, share expert PDF, or record narration, set theme, add page, add Twitter, and so on. So feel free to add something here. If you want, you just have to go to this box and then click from any. But some of these features are, of course, under Pro. So you have to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock these features. For example, this one. Okay, so I want a presentation about the living economy. In order for Tom AI to provide me the theme or the template for that, like my own template from them, then I have to upgrade my version or my plan into Pro. I can generate image and so on. For this time, if you're using basic, then you can only use the following features here. These are for free. Prompt ideas, getting started guide, contact Tom support, and so on. Okay, so if you want to set your own theme, yes, you can. This is what it looks like. Now, you can change the color of your theme here. Okay, so everything is up to you. Feel free to choose the color that you want. Let's just say if your presentation is all about nature, then you can choose green, but actually, it's up to you. If you want marketing, then I prefer that you choose lighter color. Okay, or actually you can just simply go here and then create your own design, create your own theme for your presentation. See here, you can change the color of your page. You can change the heading, okay, diatype, paragraph, diatype. So there are tons of different fonts right here. You can set this into bold, also regular for paragraph, and then auto color. You can see it right here, save theme, or you can also click the set workspace default. But actually, you can change the page background if you have a good picture or good image that you want to, or you can use for your background. So all you have to do is to upload that page. Here, you can see that if you want to change something in the format of your typing, you can tap at this letter A right here. If you want to upload or if you want to change the background or add some images, you can tap at this gallery icon and then you can search from Unsplash and add it here, or you can also search from web. You can also generate images. You just have to enter some keywords right here. So let's just say I want to look for images or something related to economy. Like my presentation is all about economy. Then you will see different pictures, and all you have to do is to tap in order for the picture to be added here. Okay, so that's it. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and feel free to resize the pictures. Feel free to add more pictures if you want to, but you can also add a background prior to these pictures. So this application is really intended and good for presentations because as you can see, there are also shapes that you want to add. If you want to explain more, elaborate more about something, there are different types of features and elements that you can add here. GIFs, even social media. You can also add tables, charts, and so on. But if you want to use from, or if you want to use their templates here, like you don't want to start from a blank and you want to try their templates, then all you have to do is to go back and then you can see the search tab right here. So let's just say you want to look for a presentation about economy. You can just type it and then enter. Then you will see a different templates for that specific keyword or topic that we have searched. So this is an example. It's like your presentation is all about nature or something like nonprofit fundraising, something like that. So you can change the title by tapping it and above is if you want to change the format, the font style, font size, bold, italic, everything is up to you. So on the following pages here, if you want to delete or if you want to add something like image, if you want to add some elements, graphs, if you want to change the color, something like that, you just have to go to the right side and you will see the small features and options right here. So change the font, add image, or change the image, add some background here. You just have to go to the right side, add some graphs, and so on. Okay, so feel free to change everything here if you have found that good template or perfect template for you. All you have to do is to change words here and add something. And this is what it looks like, very perfect for your presentation. And there are tons of templates that you can choose here in Tome.app. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.